Video number 14. Shocking Teespring Case Studies. Luke Purefly making money with Teespring. Being a marketer, Luke wanted to generate more profits from different additional approaches. A friend told him about Teespring. He found that sales would only happen if he designed the best t-shirts he could. He took advantage of his Facebook pages to identify a niche and prospective audience to advertise to them with targeted newsfeed posts using graphics and unique content. Luke also worked with FP traffic software to design and supervise his Facebook pages and show them the sales from his Teespring campaign. With this t-shirt campaign, Luke made more than $7,500 in revenue, and Teespring also rewarded him with $6,000. In another Teespring campaign, he made a $1,000 profit. Oliver Goodwin Teespring campaign. Oliver Goodwin started his Teespring campaign with an archery niche. The set budget for the t-shirt campaign was $300, and targeted revenue was $1,500 to $2,000. The first thing he did was recognize his potential customers and chose different quotes to create designs that were relevant to archery. He set up a Facebook advertising campaign for an audience of 20 million after figuring out the broad interest. He also designed Facebook ads, tested them, and used the best one. Within the first 21 days of the Teespring campaign, Oliver sold more than 283 t-shirts, with a CPC cost per conversion of $3.83, and pocketed over $2,378 as the net profit. The click-through rate of his campaign was nearly 9%. Dylan Kingsbury t-shirt campaign. Teespring is trendy, so Dylan made the decision to use it. He utilized a quirky angle and genuine base. After launching his campaign, he built a Facebook page and determined his audience based on their interests, demographics, and geography. He made Facebook text ads without any graphics to diminish the chances of violating Facebook's advertising terms and guidelines. With the Facebook advertisements, the ROI of Dylan's Teespring campaign was increasing day by day. After seeing the success, he optimized the ads and relaunched the t-shirt campaign. Dylan also used Twitter, YouTube, Google+, and other social media channels. With a 1.5-month campaign, his gross profit was $200,000, and his net profit was $160,000 after removing the advertising spend. Travis Patel Teespring campaign. Travis Patel wanted to begin his t-shirt campaign. He didn't have any design to employ, and he couldn't afford a designer. So he went to Teespring for his first t-shirt campaign, hoping to succeed and generate profit from it. They concentrated only on one niche in the beginning with Teespring. Travis created multiple designs using Photoshop and designed PPE ads to target his prospective audience between the ages of 25 and 64 years. Travis made use of promotional codes for free shipping in their Facebook PPE ads to motivate their customers to buy. He expanded his niche as his Teespring campaign was going well. With his rebrandable designs Teespring campaign, he was able to generate $33,500 in just 3 weeks. Eric Schuck Teespring Case Study. To put some extra money in his pocket, Eric Schuck started a Teespring campaign to sell t-shirts. He chose an audience based on their requirements to design great t-shirts. He worked with 20 to 25 designs by using Fiverr.com, Photoshop, and GIMP. Eric built a Facebook page to advertise his t-shirt campaign with Facebook ads. He created multiple Facebook ads and tested them to identify the best one. He offered 50% off on hoodies for a 5-day period to boost the click-through rate. He made $1,300 in just 1 week with 124 t-shirts. He created 4 to 5 more designs and extended the designs that were working for him. When the campaign ended, Eric generated over $20,000 with his 8-week Teespring campaign. Lewis Ogden Teespring campaign. Lewis Ogden aimed to get some extra income with a niche that was different from his familiar niches. He began without any prior knowledge of Teespring and wanted a low upfront cost. He set up a t-shirt campaign. He chose an artist from Odesk who charged $15 an hour to design t-shirts. To get traffic, he chose an audience based on their demographics and interests, and built a Facebook page. He created multiple ads and tested them to find the best one for advertising. He managed his Teespring campaign with 3 ad groups. He ran his campaign for a week and got $400 from his Teespring campaign using Facebook ads without having any experience. Demian Caceres Teespring campaign. Demian Caceres is an internet marketer who wanted to make some extra money. He hooked up with a Teespring campaign. By opting for his niche, he decided to sell hoodies related to shark lovers. To promote his t-shirt campaign, he chose Facebook as an advertising platform. He created and tested multiple ads and went with the best one. He narrowed the audience down based on their demographics, devices, and geographical location. Demian included a call to action in graphics that he posted on his Facebook page. In the description of his hoodies, he also added a call to action, such as share and save on shipping, $10 off, and money-back guarantee. That really sounds cool to attract an audience and expanded his reach. With his campaign, he sold more than $18,000 in hoodies with an advertising spend of $5,000. Peter Jr. Teespring campaign. Peter Jr. wanted to earn money by selling t-shirts, but he failed with his previous t-shirt campaigns. He began a Teespring campaign by choosing a specific niche based on a targeted audience. Peter opted to work with Fiverr and Odesk to create designs for t-shirts and uploaded them to his Teespring campaign. He set a Facebook fan page to share his t-shirts and used pixels to retarget the non-buyers. By taking advantage of Facebook audience insights and other tools, he launched his campaign. To advertise his t-shirt campaign, he created multiple Facebook ads and tested them to get rid of the bad ones and utilize the good one. Peter Jr. relaunched and repeated the successful Teespring campaign to earn more. He achieved 200% to 370% ROI from every campaign. Bruce Wedding Teespring campaign. Bruce Wedding wanted to put more cash in his pocket. He moved towards a Teespring campaign to sell t-shirts. He looked for his market and niche and prospective audience between 16 and 51 years old, which were 2.6 million people. He used a call to action in the description of t-shirts such as limited edition, $10 off today, and buy now to motivate his audience to purchase. He also included different sizes and colors so that the audience could choose as needed. He worked with Facebook to advertise his Teespring campaign. He created targeted ads with a great call to action to get conversions. Within 5 days, he generated $3,294.04 and paid $1,000.69 for the advertisement, which gave him a total profit of $2,293.35. Bank working with Teespring. Bank is an internet marketer and always looking for a way to make money online. He set up a Teespring campaign to sell t-shirts. After setting up and launching his t-shirt campaign, he promoted his campaign on Facebook to get traffic. He designed specific ads for his targeted audience and a custom audience to expand his reach. FB Lead Jagger and Face Sniper were used to excerpt the audience data from any page. He set a minimum budget for his t-shirt advertising of $20. As he began making money, he increased his ad budget to $150, $200, and $300 respectively. He generated $3,893 in 1 week